Okay, so I just couldn't help myself. Let me show you how to make these super cute denim earrings. Hey you guys, so it has been a super busy day, but I have an idea. One more simple earring I want to show you how to make. It's going to be out of some old recycled blue jeans and the hoops that I bought from Hobby Lobby maybe about a month ago. But stay tuned, I'm going to show it to you. It won't take long. This is something you can create on your own out of recycled denim you may have laying around. If you don't have any jeans you want to cut up or abuse, right, you could always get a pair from the thrift store or from your like local dollar store. It can be kids jeans. It doesn't have to be anything brand new or expensive. So I'm using the bottom. I made a pair of shorts from some jeans that I had, and I used the word made loosely. I cut the legs off of some jeans I didn't like because I wanted some walking shorts, and I decided to keep the bottoms because I thought, I could make some earrings because I saw some denim earrings that Diva Styles created, and they were so cute. So that was my inspiration, but ours are going to be totally different. And let's get started, okay? God bless you. So one thing you're gonna wanna do is get a pack of hoops from Hobby Lobby, your craft store, order them online, or I take it back, I got these from Walmart. I'm sorry, y'all. I forgot that I got these from Walmart one Saturday when I was out there buying some other stuff, and I happened to go past their jewelry aisle. So there's the smaller hoops, there's a round medium-sized hoop, which we're gonna be using today, and then there's some teardrop shaped hoops. And they already have a hole in them so that you can easily loop an earring finding to it. So I kind of envisioned what I want to do with the jeans. So I've already cut one piece out, and I'm cutting along the seam because I kind of want to have that look that I have right here. And I'm just using, again, a pair of blue jeans that I cut up that I made some shorts out of. So I'm going to use this one as a template to cut out and have a matching pair. So I'm just gonna lay this down. I don't have fabric scissors, which is really what I should be using, but instead I'm using some X-Acto scissors that I have, which I think definitely need to be sharpened. So I'm cutting down the edge, and I didn't measure anything. I just thought, you know, what do I want the earrings to look like? A lot of times when I get ready to create stuff, I just see it in my mind, and I'm like, okay, that's what I want to make, that's what I want it to look like, and to God's glory, it just comes out looking like that. So we got that side cut, and now I'm going to cut down this side. Let me make sure I'm cutting it the right. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but whatevs, the show must go on, right? So let's turn it around this way, and I'm going to cut my piece off. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. I know I always say that, but we want to make them match because you are making earrings, and although earrings won't perfectly match when they're handmade, so you'll notice that the back, this one has a seam, and so because I cut it a little more narrow, I'm going to go ahead and cut that seam off. I had wanted to keep it, so that kind of sucks, but but anyway, we're going to cut it off. It probably wouldn't have looked right anyway, so we'll save it. I'm gonna just throw it off to the side. So now what I want to do is I want to lay them out because I noticed that one is still longer than the other one. So I'm gonna go even these up, and I'll be right back. So also, these are gonna be really simple, really easy. You're just gonna need some earring findings to attach the loops to. I think these loops are so cool. You could also, if you wanted to, if I wasn't gonna be covering, well, you could put a bead right there, so that's something to think about. You can have a bead dangling right there. There's so much you can do, it's limitless. You're also gonna need some jump rings. So I do wanna put some type of design or decoration along the denim, so I was trying to decide if I wanna paint on here or if I wanna use markers. So stay tuned and let's make that decision. I'll be right back to show you what I put. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, after I looked at them and how cute they looked, hanging over the hoop, I'm just gonna leave them as blue jeans. I don't want to add anything to them. I want them to just be a simple, cute pair of denim earrings. So what I did was I took the earrings and I just, let me do it to the side. I took the earring hoop and I fished it through the side, but make sure that the back of the hoop is facing you so that you're putting everything down the right way. Now I could always paint these if I wanted to after I get them done. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna glue down the bottom And I'm just gonna use some E6000 glue. Now mind you, you can use fabric glue for this if you want to, but I don't have any fabric glue, so I'm gonna use what I have on hand. And I encourage you to do the same. Use whatever you have on hand. So if you have Gorilla Glue, now I don't know if super glue would be the best glue to use because it will probably soak into the material. But what I'm gonna do is just press this down. These are gonna be so cute. You could glue beads to these. You could put studs on these. You could make multiple pair, which I probably will do like a denim collection in my Etsy store. Oh, speaking of which, thank you again to everyone that's purchasing from the Etsy store. I'm so grateful. And also, I'm gonna be adding new earrings tonight. So my goal, like I mentioned, is to add new jewelry every day if I can, if I have time within my schedule, but if not, every week for sure. So we added that pair. All we did was loop it through, and you can hang your denim from your hoops any way that you want. And I know that they would look better if we zhuzhed them all up, and I'm not thinking about zhuzhing them up as we're gluing them down, right? And it would be easier to put those designs on before putting them through here, but I just think that I want something simple for an easy pair of earrings for the 4th of July, super cute. You could do red, white, and blue. I know not everybody celebrates the 4th, and I'm certainly not saying that you should, right? But just an idea, if you do love holiday earrings and you tend to dress up for the holidays, this would be a cute idea. So let's go ahead now and put our jump ring on. I'm just looping it through the top, putting the hook on. Now you gotta also decide, I want that to be the front of my earring so that it looks like a pair of blue jeans, like it looks like a cuff or a hem. Let me go back. So I'm not sure if I've shared this with you before, but so I'm not fighting with the jump ring, I'm gonna add a smaller jump ring to give it 1, more swing, and 2, so that it won't matter what direction I put the fish hook in per se. I didn't need to open this, because then it'll have the right amount of swing without fighting me, and I'll show you what I mean. So if I was just to put the fish hook on this larger jump ring, I'd have to bend the ear wire back a certain way to make it where the denim faces the front or the earring faces the front. Well, if I put that little extra jump ring on there, I don't have to worry about that. So I can put the fish hook on facing the back, I can close it up, and I know that it will hang that way. To secure the closing of it, I'm just gonna clamp down. And now we have one of our denim earrings. Oh, I put that on backwards. Ooh, yeah, I'm so hungry, but I wanted to get on here and show you this before. I gotta exercise tonight and before I ate. So let's turn that around, because y'all, I'm trying to wear a bathing suit when Rona leaves, and if Rona doesn't leave before the summer, well, we'll just be wearing it around the house. So anyway, look how cute that is. And so you may say, oh, that's just kind of plain, but sometimes plain and simple is good enough. I think it's absolutely adorable. And so let's do the other one. And then, like I said, you can make multiples of these. I have tons of cut up just 2 half legs of blue jeans sitting right here, right for the picking. So I probably will make a few more so I can add them to the store. But not everybody, you know, you got to think about your customers and who's purchasing. Not everybody wants a bunch of bling. Not everybody wants a bunch of paint. So when you're doing a store or a business, you want to have something for everyone so that everybody has something to choose from. So let's put the hook on here. And we're going to finish this up. This is probably the shortest video I've ever done in all of creation. So look, super cute. Oh my gosh, they are adorable. And they're recycled, so how cool is that? People that love recycling are gonna love the fact that you took a pair of denim jeans and gave them another purpose. You could put glitter glue on here. You could hang beads from here, anything you wanna do. And so, like I said, I'm probably gonna make another pair just because, why not? Let's see, maybe we'll do another one right quick. So another idea I had, just because we've got time. Do you have time? If not, you know, skip forward, come back, look at it. Grab your supplies, and you can do these with any type of hoops, any type of findings, etc. I just thought these hoops, when I saw them, I was like, oh, I can do something cute with those. So let's get those together. Let's grab our jump rings, put everything together. Let's get our hooks. So I did get the hooks from Michael's. You can get your hooks from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but you already know that. So I'm gonna grab 2 of those. Put my little loops off to the side. And then now let's get us another pair of denim. So this time, let me sit those off to the side that we created. This time I probably do want to paint on them, or thought about the marker, but let's just paint. So grab my scissors, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut across the hem, because I just feel like, I like working with the hem. I feel like it's calling my name. So I'm gonna cut all the way across, and then I'm hopefully gonna cut it in an even piece. Y'all can tell that I never sewed, right? I've always been an instant gratification kind of person as it relates to most things in my life, right? I just feel like if it takes too long, it's like, ugh, I just don't have all day. Like, can we please get this done? So I'm gonna cut it in half, I believe, this way. Oh, let me cut this end off, because that's not gonna be a part of the design. And then I'll have to worry about matching it up. So let's cut it this way. Then I'm just cutting it in half so that it's even, okay? Now, what you could do is, if we wanted to, we could put this together. We could cut it in 4s and have it hanging where the hoop's not showing, it's just denim on both sides, but that's not what I want. So I'm trying to decide how I want it. Let's come back, let me figure out the design, and then we'll be right back and we'll grab our paints. Okay, so I decided what I'm gonna do with these. I went on and put together the loops and made them already into earrings that way, so we don't have to worry about that. I cut the hems in even pieces so that they would glue together relatively easily. Now, because this is thicker material, I'm going to have to sit it on under something so that the glue adheres. Because it's so thick, if I just press it together like I did the other ones, they're not gonna stay put together. So let me put the glue here. I'm gonna glue this one down, but I need to loop it through first, right? So let's loop it through. Let's bend it down at the bottom. Oh, maybe it will. Looks like it's staying put. Okay. And then let's glue the other one together. I'm using E6000 glue. If you're new to my channel, I'm Garlinda Price. I do tutorials every Tuesday and Thursday as time permits, but definitely twice a week. It never gets old. Sharing jewelry videos with you all is so cool. It's kind of loud in my environment tonight, so I apologize for the background noise. So now we're just gonna glue these down. And it looks like they're gonna be super cooperative. I love that. So I have an idea of what I'm gonna put on the bottoms as soon as we get them relatively dry. And to put my glue on, I just use the bottom of a brush that I don't really paint with. I have tons of brushes like you probably do as well. So I just use the bottom of a tool that way. There's some little loose strings at the bottom, but I can always cut those off after the glue dries. I do want to get off any excess glue because I don't want it to show, and even though I could probably try to address it later, I don't want to. Right, I want it to be nice from the beginning, but the strings we can cut off after everything dries. So what I'm gonna do next is, because it looks like it's laying down really quickly, this is a sticker, right? So I got these stickers from Recollections. I get them on the sticker aisle at Michael's. I love them because they are blinged out beauties. They are so cute. And as I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do, I was like, why don't we put a piece of bling at the end and let them be dangles, and they'll just be blinged out at the bottom. So cute. You could even loop another pair of blue jeans down there. You could loop another hoop through there. The sky is the limit. So I'm gonna glue that down right quick. Just wanna make sure I have them on the right sides. so that the earrings themselves are opposite one another. And then again, like I said, I'm gonna sit something on top of these so they'll stay put. Now, because they are stickers, you could just stick them on there, but I mean, my common sense tells me that they're probably not gonna stay stuck on there, only because at some point, you know, things dry rot or they dry out. Sometimes people are rough with jewelry items. My sister is. I have a twin sister. Oh my God, if I gave her a piece of jewelry today, it'd be broken by tomorrow. I don't know what it is. She's just really heavy-handed. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue on the back, and then we're gluing it down over here. And we're gonna close our glue up. And now we have two super cute pair of earrings. I'm gonna bring the other pair back over. I'm gonna go let these dry, but that is the end of our video. Now I do wanna go ahead and just snip the strings off just so it'll be all nice and classy before we go. But you guys, look. How cute is that? They're gonna be so cute hanging from somebody's ear over the summer when they're out at their picnics, right? Super cute with the mask, because since we're all still on timeout from the Rona, from Corona, it's not funny, it's actually quite frustrating, but we have to make the best of where we are, and thank God that we're still in the land of the living, that we're well in our right mind, body, and spirit. So God is so good. I'm not complaining at all. Now, these are a little plain, but again, I kind of like them plain. I wanted them to be a little bit basic, but you could paint flowers on here. You could put beads on here. You could do anything on here. Maybe I'll do another bling and then they'll have a matching set. Stand by, maybe. So you know I just couldn't help myself. So I also have these glitter hearts by Recollections. I have this new glitter glue I just purchased. So I don't know. I think that I'm gonna put a purple heart on here, and I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna use the glitter glue or not. So there's a purple heart in here. Again, these are stickers on the back, but I'm gonna take the sticker off and I'm gonna glue it to the center right here. Cause I don't know, I like it plain, but I think it's just not within me to do something plain. I honestly tried. But anyway, so I'm gonna put a decent amount of glue on the back of the heart just so we don't have to worry about it coming off. So we'll spread it around, and then we're gonna glue the heart right there in the center. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's exactly what it needed. So now we're honestly gonna keep it simple. I'm not gonna put the glitter on here because I think that's just doing team too much. But we're gonna glue the other purple heart down, and then that's gonna be that. But I do wanna do something with this pink glitter paint. I just have to figure out what that's going to be. But for now, I think that it's so super cute and simple how these denim earrings turned out. And again, if you're thinking about selling your jewelry and you don't have a lot of money to get started with, look around your home and think about things that you have. Is it your children's old clothes? Is it your old clothes? Is there something that you can cut up that you love the print of, right? Joyce McTeer, shout out to her. She does a lot of fabric jewelry. So maybe you have some clothing in your home that has like beautiful fabric and you're not wearing it anymore. And maybe you could turn that into a beautiful pair of earrings. So I'm gonna hold these up right quick. I think they came out so super cute. Let me adjust the light over here. I love them, right? All we did was add a sticker heart, and I got the stickers on the owl along with those, and the stickers are by Recollections. They're just some glitter hearts. You get them on the sticker owl at Michael's. And then the same with these. We just got the bling stickers. These are like scrapbooking supplies. I think that's what they're designed for, but I use a lot of the Recollection stickers to make earrings. So I need to go put something on top of those so they can hang down. But hey, I'm in love with both of these. They're gonna go up on the shop as well as soon as they dry. And again, my Etsy shop is in the description link down below. I pray you'll go over there and shop. And even if you don't purchase anything today, take a look around. I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, please. and share it, because there are other people that they love watching videos just to relax. So let's share the gift of beauty. God bless you. I'm Garlinda Price. I look forward to seeing you again on our next video. Every Tuesday and Thursday, I share a creative video and a ministry encouraging word as a pastor. Talk to you all soon.